Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jasmine from wellnessbyjasmine.com, and if you like this video that you're about to see, make sure you give me a big thumbs up because that goes a long way to supporting what I do here. And make sure you subscribe, that's really important, and hit the notification bell so that way you can get notified every time I upload a new video here on this channel. Today we're going to have a super fun, super fast DIY that will actually make your whole family happy because it will make cleaning the toilet a breeze. So let's gather our supplies. We'll need Castille soap, which you can get at the grocery store, a natural food store. Citric acid, which you can get from any spice shop, online, or in the baking aisle of your grocery. Also some baking soda, and as you can see, I'm a huge fan of upcycling, so all of my jars are reused jars, repurposed jars. You'll also need some fabulous essential oils, good quality. I use doTERRA, and I will post a link below to show you how you can get them at the best price. I've chosen peppermint, tea tree, and purify. All three are great at cleaning and cleansing. So you'll need 2 mixing bowls. You'll need some tap water or distilled water and some measuring bowls. And you'll also want some sort of mold. I'm using a baking tin. You can use a silicone mold. Now this part's going to go super fast because you don't need me to show you how to measure things. But you're going to take 1.5 cups of baking soda, add that with 1/2 cup citric acid. You want to make sure you mix this really well to get rid of any clump. Okay, so take your second bowl, add a teaspoon of the Castille soap, and then add 10 to 15 drops of your essential oils of choice. Again, the essential oils are very important to the recipe because they are going to help to, again, make your toilet smell good, but also they're going to help with the cleansing and the purifying that you're going for without the toxins. Now mix this very well, and then you're going to pour it very carefully into your dry mixture. Now this is where people can go really wrong, so pay very close attention. Take your water, and I just add a few drops at a time and just put it, just kind of dot it all over. You don't want to concentrate the water dump in one spot. And you might hear that it's starting to bubble and fizz. And that's because the water is activating the baking soda and the citric acid. So that's why you don't want to add a ton. So what you're going to do is mix this up right now so that you can get it to be the consistency of wet sand. If it's not the right consistency, then add a little bit more water. You can add a little bit more Castille soap if you need to, but don't go crazy. Do you see I'm just dotting it along the areas, and then I'm mixing it by hand so that I can really feel whether it's got that dry or that wet sand consistency. So this is too dry right now, so I'll just add a little bit more water, and it's trial and error until you get it the way that you want it. Okay, so now take your mold. Again, I'm just using a muffin tin, but take your mold and you really want to just pack down about 3/4 of the way full. I made these way too full in my impatience, so I ended up with very large and malformed toilet bombs, but they work really well, so I'm fine with that. But don't do what I did. Just do this to about 3/4 of the way full, because what's going to happen is the mixture is going to puff up as it dries. I usually let them dry overnight before I take them out of the mold. Yours will look much prettier than mine, I promise you that. Put them in a nice upcycled jar to keep in the bathroom, so anytime you want to clean your toilet, you can just toss one in the bowl and let it work its non-toxic magic. and you can also use your brush if need be. I hope you enjoyed this Oils Diva DIY. See you in the next video.